Modern apartments often limit outdoor mechanical units. How do you achieve high-efficiency heating without outdoor units? Introducing the modern ATW indoor heat pump. Compact, modular, space-efficient, and smarter indoor heat pump solution, offering reliable performance at lower ambient, maintaining best comfort, high efficiency with intelligent flow control to suit any requirement. Efficient heating, engineered for any indoor application. Flexible indoor setup for retrofits and new builds, easy installation. A++ efficiency at low temperatures, with quiet, everyday comfort. Featuring sustainable R290 refrigerant, with gas derator and leak detection sensor for safety. Enjoy comfort with the future of indoor heating. Blue Star,